Hey guys, this is Frank Sajogan from Quant again. I just wanted to give you the quick updates. So this is my new brokerage that I just opened the account 7 hours ago, and I just got to the position after that, right after I opened the account. Within a couple of hours, like 5 to 6 hours, something like that. So far, I am up by 2,094%. Can you believe it? 2,094% within a couple of hours on the original investment, which was $16.32. So far, I'm up for almost $338.57. Of course, the position is still up and running. That's why is getting changed, is fluctuating. The margin and everything is fluctuating. But my target is for almost $500. Let's see what's gonna happen. I just wanted to give you quick updates, and then I'll get back to you with this position to show you what happened to this one.